Yeah, I can see your camera.
Can you see me?
Could you please screening your
Oh, let me check from
yeah
YouTube. Hello everyone. I have no idea you can see in my video right now, but we are checking the settings. One moment, please. YouTube, yeah. Okay. Yeah. It's interesting. So let's see. Live. Okay, let's see. So we have this, and I'm sharing. Perfect. Okay, Luis. So can you confirm this is the video, the link, or the live?
give me a moment. Yeah, sure. In this moment in real time, I don't see, but in the past moment, yeah, I confirm the I
Okay.
see.
So can you see my screen now? It's okay.
Give me a moment. I have a delay.
Oh, no problem.
Give me a moment.
Hello
Say
everyone.
me.
Uh,
Sorry.
this is a
Give me a
live
moment. Yeah.
for our project for the Chaining Hackathon. So we are configuring everything because this is a live streaming. So give us 2 minutes, please.
Yeah.
Okay. So
Yeah.
perfect.
I can see your screen.
Okay.
Perfect.
So let's share your screen, and we are going to start with the presentation.
Okay.
Thank you.
Let's go, JD.
Let's go.
Uh, you or me?
Yeah, share because I'm sharing my screen right now, and the idea is to see the presentation from your side.
Okay. Good. Huh. I wait for you.
No, wait for me. Share your screen, please.
Okay. Sorry. Sorry.
No, it's okay, it's okay.
Okay.
As we did before.
Okay. Give me a moment. Let's go.
Yeah, let's start.
Cool.
Amazing.
Yeah.
Okay, so hello everyone. As I mentioned before, this is the video for the Chainlink Hackathon. Basically, we built the project ConcertX. This is a decentralized crowdfunding platform for the music industry. Today, we are going to see an agenda. Okay, nice, Luis. We are going to see during this session, we are going to meet the team who built ConcertX, but why we are building this kind of platform. Then we are going to see in the agenda a small introduction, the benefits of this platform, like empowering musicians, what it does, the technologies that we are using, like blockchain, like Solana, like Ethereum, how we build it, and the conclusion. At the end, we are going to see a small demo. So let's start. Thank you, Luis.
Okay. Thank you, JD. In this para meet the team. Me, I am a blockchain developer focused in this project in Solidity, Rust, in Ethereum and Solana blockchain. Let's go, my friend JD.
Thank you, Luis. So I'm JD Nichols. I'm a full stack developer. In this project, I have been more focused in the front end side, building the landing page, providing the wallet connection with these different blockchain networks. But here we are working like full stack developers as well. Right now, we are going to see in a moment all the challenges that we faced during this project. So yeah, go ahead.
Okay. Um, in this section, I speak but why. But why concerns? ConcertX was inspired by the success of crowdfunding platforms like Kickstarter, which have helped countless creative projects come to life through the support of bakers. However, we noticed that were was a lack of options, specifically geared toward musicians and concert events. We wanted to create a platform that would allow musicians to easily set up funding campaigns for their concerts and offer unique rewards to their bakers as a way of thanking them for their support. Additionally, we were inspired by the possession of using blockchain technology to create a more decentralized and transparent crowdfunding platform. This not only helps to reduce fees and barriers to entry, but also allows musicians to have more control over their own careers and your creative process. Okay, JD?
Thank you, Luis. So, in the introduction, basically the music industry has undergone a significant transformation in recent years with the rise of digital streaming services and social media platforms. But, however, despite these advancements, many musical artists still struggle to make a living and maintain credit control over their work. ConcertX is a platform, it's a solution that aims to disrupt and transform the music industry by providing a platform for music artists to set up crowdfunding campaigns and offer unique rewards to their bakers. By empowering musicians to have more control over their careers and creative processes, ConcertX seeks to facilitate collaboration and allow fans to interact with the music artists in real time. So the use of blockchain technology that we are going to see in a moment and smart contracts considers create this kind of decentralized and transparent crowdfunding platform that reduces fees and barriers to entry. Okay, next, please.
Okay. In this section is empowering musicians. Um, was mentioned my friend JD Nichols, ConcertX seeks to empower musicians by giving them greater control over their careers and creative processes. By setting up crowdfunding campaigns on the platform, musicians can raise funds directly from their fans and offer unique rewards in return. This not only provides a source of income for musicians, but also allows them to connect with their fans in a more meaningful way. Furthermore, ConcertX facilitates collaboration between musicians by allowing them to form teams and work on projects together. This not only fosters creativity but also helps to build a sense of community within the music industry. Okay, JD?
Thank you, Luis. So what it does? Bakers can then pledge money towards the campaigns in order to help each reach its goal. In return, musicians or all musical artists offer unique rewards to the bakers as a way of thanking them for their support. In addition to funding concerts, concerts also allows musicians to share their rehearsals in recording studios and broadcast live to their fans and bakers. This gives fans an inside look at the creative process and allows them to interact with the musicians in real time. The idea of this platform is also to be able to support the creative process while the musical artists are in training in all of these recording studios, and at the same time allow the recording studios get rewards. So ConcertX also support these recording studios by allowing them to receive rewards for broadcasting live events, as I mentioned. And this helps to create a more sustainable ecosystem for musical artists, for musicians, and recording studios, and allows them to collaborate and support one another in their careers. Okay, continue, Luis.
Okay, thank you, JD. Blockchain technology. This section is very, very important. In the case of ConcertX, blockchain technology is used to enable trusted transactions directly between musicians and their bakers. This meant that when someone pledges money towards a campaign on ConcertX, the transaction is recorded on a special database called a blockchain. In this case, we use Ethereum and Solana blockchain. This helps to make sure like the transaction is secure and cannot be changed or tampered with. So, in summary, ConcertX is a platform that helps musicians raise money for their concert and uses special technology, okay, let blockchain, repeat in this section, uh, to make the transaction secure and trustworthy. Okay, JD?
Thank you, Luis. So in this part, how we build, how the ConcertX was built. Basically, we are using a combination of technologies and frameworks. In the front-end side, we are using frameworks like Remix.js, React, this kind of libraries, and in the back-end side, or yeah, we are supporting this server for server-side rendering with Express, this kind of frameworks, and also in the smart contract element, we are using Hardhat. So right now, with these frameworks, we are creating a decentralized crowdfunding platform for musicians. As a team of passionate musicians, musical art and artists and technologists, we have always been frustrated by the lack of options for musical artists to fund their concerts. That's why we decided to create ConcertX, a revolutionary new crowdfunding platform for musical artists. We started by researching our target audience, then starting identifying their needs and motivation. We then sketch out our solution, determining how the platform will function and what features it will have. In a moment, we are going to see the demo at the end of this live. So looking back, it's amazing to see how far we have come. Building ConcertX has been a really challenging but rewarding journey, and we can't wait to see what the future holds for this revolutionary platform. Okay, next, Luis.
Okay, basically, we are in the final part and the conclusion. ConcertX represents a significant step forward for the music industry, providing a platform for musicians to take control of their careers and connect with their fans in new and exciting ways. Um, Through its use of blockchain technology and virtual reality, ConcertX creates a decentralized and transparent crowdfunding platform that reduces fees and barriers to entry. It not only benefits musicians, but also helps to build trust and foster collaboration within the music industry. With ConcertX, the future of music is truly exciting and full of possibilities. Okay, in the uh, final session is part of my friend JD with the mockups.
Okay, so yeah, before the demo, we have some mockups as we mentioned before. So started building a simple landing page, this kind of home page that we are going to see the different. We are going to see a hero section with the different concerts that or the different campaigns that we have for these concerts. We are going to see some sections like the trending events of these musical artists. We are going to see also the future artists here participating in the platform. We are going to see the details of any of these events. So we are going to have this kind of small descriptions, how many views, how many likes, to share this in from different social platforms. Also, we are going to see the different details specifically of the blockchain, like the NFTs that you are going to get while you are supporting these kind of events, right? With this platform. Also, you are going to see the details of any of these authors, and also all the concerts or events that they are creating for their fans, right? And in the last part, the idea is we are trying to create this kind of platform that we can provide these events, this live streaming, that everyone can interact. And in the future, we are planning to use augmented reality or virtual reality to be able to see in the metaverse, in this kind of interactive world, concerts from anywhere. That is our idea with ConcertX. So I'm going to share my screen now, Luis. The idea is to see the demo that we built. So I'm going
Okay.
to take that part. So let's start sharing.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. let's go.
So basically, here we built this application with React.js. This is using Remix, so this is supporting server-side rendering for the page to improve the SEO. We have this kind of hero section. We are going to see the image, all the important data that is crucial for this event, for this campaign, like the author of this session or this concert. Also the name of the concert, a small description, some hashtags or some categories. We are going to see the total reach in this campaign, what is the goal, where it's ending, so basically all the details of a campaign. Also, we are going to see all the different trending events. We are going to be able to see different categories. We are still working on that, and also maybe using this kind of search in order to start interacting with the platform and find more events in this platform. Also, we have here the trending artists. In this section, we are going to see all the different artists that you can follow as a fan. And here, when you check to view the details of an event, you are going to see all the details, how many views, as I mentioned before, the likes, to share this from different social platforms. We are going to receive an NFT by making a contribution. We are going to see all the different details, the history of the contributions for this campaign. And that's it. It's only the things that we know from different other crowdfunding platforms like Kickstarter. We have here a simple wallet connection in the header of the platform. Like, okay, I'm going to connect to the Phantom wallet. We are going to see that the user is authenticated. What is the address to change the wallet? Yeah, that's it. We are supporting also different kind of mobile devices or this kind of different resolutions by the with responsive design. So yeah, that is basically the demo that we built for the Chainlink Hackathon. So thanks everyone for the support and hope to see you soon. Thanks for your time.
Thank you, everyone. Bye
Thank you,
bye. Thanks
Luis.
for your time. Thank you, Judy.